Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Hope you are doing well. Today we'll discuss on the serial number profile for repetitive manufacturing. So before we start the topic, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So today we'll discuss how to create serial number profile for the repetitive manufacturing and how to use the serial number for the repetitive manufacturing. So serial number is being help to do the traceability, and also it can be used for the warranty management. Also it help to create the equipment. Okay, so that is the overview of serial number. Okay, let me go to the system. So here first we'll see how to create the serial number profile. In the SPRO, under the node plant maintenance, there is a node master data. Under master data, technical object. Okay, and under technical, this is the serial number management. Okay, so here suppose here we can create a new serial number like ZRP2. Okay, and we can give some description. Okay, and category, like if you want to add whether machine or something, you as per your business process you can add the category of that, because if you need the equipment and what is the category of equipment, you can choose here. Okay, suppose if I choose customer equipment. Okay, then once you did this one, then you will choose the serial procedure. In serializing procedure, if you do new entry, so here so for repetitive manufacturing, first we need to assign this one PPSF. Okay, and here usage. So here like non-optional, obligatory, automatic. Suppose if I choose obligatory means mandatory. Okay, you have to assign the serial number there. Okay, and equipment required or not required. So suppose I say no, that is not required. Okay, and then also I add two more procedure. One for document good received. Okay, good received document. Okay, and here also I will say mandatory, and same thing I will do here. And another, so this is like if you are using the WM, will use the HUSL, else it is not required. Okay, so this is basically, this is the PPSF and MMSL. These are the two key point to use the repetitive manufacturing without suppose if you are not using the WM. Okay, then you can save it. Okay, so this is how you will create the serial number profile for repetitive manufacturing. Once you create the serial number profile, so you can assign this serial number to the metal master. So if I go to metal master, so this is my metal master, and this is activated for the repetitive manufacturing. So this is being activated for repetitive manufacturing. Okay, production version repetitive manufacturing. Now in production stock location 2 view, here already I had created one repeated serial number profile GRP1. Okay, I have assigned. Here you can assign your serial number profile in this view. Okay, once you assign that serial number profile, so let's check how it work in during manufacturing execution. So let me go to the MFBF. So in MFBF, suppose, so before that let me check the stock of this material. So here MMBE. So here 3 stock is already there, and if I check this one, so there is 3 stock is 75, 76, 77. So these are 3 serial numbers are there. Okay, three serial numbers are there. So if I go here and do, okay, I think this session is stock. Okay, 7. So now if I do the manufacturing confirmation, suppose I do for 1 pieces and the material. Okay, so here material, plant, production, everything is updated. And now if I do the post with correction, okay, so this is the material component, and once this is component backflush. So once I save it, system will ask you to enter the serial number. So we are doing the confirm for 1 quantity, so it we need to enter the 1 serial number. So here I will click on, I clicked on the create serial number automatically. Okay, so if you have the you created the serial number manually, you can enter here, else you can click this one, so that system will assign its own generated serial number. Okay, so once this one done, if I save, then if you look at here, good receipt and component backflush both completed. Okay, and now if I go to MMB again, so now I did the confirm for 1 pieces. So if I go to this one, so here now if you look, initially it was, before we do the confirmation it was 3, now it is 4 pieces. Okay, and if I go and check the serial number, see 78. Okay, serial number is 78 here. Okay. So this is how the process, how to create the serial number profile and how to assign the serial number in how to use the serial number in the repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so this is my 4th session on the repetitive manufacturing. So if you did not went through the my previous sessions where I explained what are the required master data for repetitive manufacturing, how to do the quantity based repetitive manufacturing confirmation, how to do the reporting, use the reporting points, and how to do the planning, everything I explained in my previous sessions. Okay, so I'll give the link in the description. Please go through those sessions to get more knowledge on the repetitive manufacturing. Okay, hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.